Today's Thursday, October 16th. This is a 1976 Cadillac Eldorado wiper motor. This is the original vintage unit 16353A, as shown right here on the label. Okay, the unit has been restored for my friend Kelly in Oklahoma, and this is the first video out of a 3-video set, whereby in the final embodiment I'll be doing a functional validation test showing the motor and the parking mechanism. In this particular instance, I've corrected the short in the motor. I've replaced the parking module mechanism, and I'll be lubricating and then doing the reassembly and the functional validation test. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including the 3-speed wiper motors specific to the 76 Eldorado and the multiple slide wiper control module or switch. Okay, today is Thursday, October 16th. Thank you very kindly.